right, y'all. We gonna see about this. Now, these are my daughter's favorite pair of boots. And one day I was walking behind her and I thought her foot was slipping out of the top. But no, we have a problem. We have a situation here. This one looks okay. No, this one looks like it's coming up too. Shoot, we might just have to get her some new ones, but we're gonna try to repair it. It's all right. All right. Goodness. Let's see if this Gorilla Glue really works. Okay, we just have to get her a new pair. Oh boy, you gotta make sure you don't get this stuff on your hands. Alright, so we're gonna come back in like a day and see how it did. Alright, so maybe she'll take a few steps and see if it worked. Oh, she really tested it out. Come back, I can't see. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ooh, it's stained. It's stained, but I wondered about you made the paint that or something. I don't know. That's fine. And this shoe was coming loose too on this side, so I did this one too. So Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue, super precise, super glue or something like that. Y'all see it on a previous clip. Not for your hair though.